Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by saving any open work and closing apps that might lock taskbar icons. Open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+ESC, then find Windows Explorer under Processes. Once located, right-click and choose Restart to reload the shell. This forces the taskbar to rebuild icon caches and often fixes transient glitches. If icons remain missing, make sure to continue with the next steps, because a simple restart can reveal whether the problem is temporary or requires deeper action. Once Explorer has been restarted, you need to rebuild the icon cache and validate system services. Open File Explorer to %localappdata% and delete icon cache. DB, then restart Explorer again. This forces Windows to recreate corrupted icon thumbnails. Next, open Services. MSC and confirm Windows Update and Shell Experience Host are running because disabled services can stop icons from appearing. Finally, run system integrity checks. Execute sfc/scano and then dism/restore health to repair underlying file issues that prevent icons from loading. To finish, reset the notification area and verify taskbar settings. Go to Settings, Personalization, Taskbar, and toggle which icons appear to force a re-register. If icons still misbehave, create a new local user profile to check whether the issue is profile-specific. This isolates corruption versus system-wide faults. If that fails, use System Restore to revert to a point before the problem began. One key troubleshooting tip: if none of these work, backup data and consider an in-place Windows repair to preserve apps while fixing system components.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.